pot bottom. Well, pot bottom kitchen folks, how you doing out there? Yes, we're on top of the hill overlooking the ocean. Yes, there you go. Here today, beautiful sunshine in Port Antonio. You guys may wondering, this guy been featuring a lot of Port Antonio. Yes, old people said, learn to dance a yard before you dance abroad. And that's how we have it today. Still in Port Antonio, yes, as we know. And this is a part of our little thing that we have in Port Antonio here. We're overlooking the bay of, well, we're overlooking the waterfront. Yes, on the right hand side you can find, if you notice, zooming up there, you see the Navy Island of Port Antonio. Yes, and on this side here, that's the Jamaica Reef Beach back in the days. Well, now saying that, we're going to visit today some of the heritage sites or the monuments of this parish. Yes, and you know, we're going to highlight a little of these things that are going on. Out in the distance here, my point here now where I'm standing here, I'm on top of Lighthouse Road and I'm overlooking Port Antonio Bay. This is the bay. This is not the town, this is just the bay of Port Antonio, right? As you enter inside Port Antonio, this is where you find, and this is where you can see when you overlook on the hillside. This is what you see right here. And as we said, we're going to feature some monuments and heritage site. Over here, from my advantage point here, we have a building right in this area, or we have a monument right in this area. Here we go, right it. Do you see that thing look like a pyramid there? Back in the days, the British put this one, I think, yes, to when they out in the ocean there, the big ships them coming in, or the small boat or whatever. This light on the hill shows you that you're close to land and that's the direction you're gonna go. So we're gonna visit, we're gonna go spend some time over there. We're gonna go over there. Yes, we're gonna be going over that area, and this is on top of Springbank. Yeah, a little community by the name of Springbank, yes. So we're gonna have a little look at all those heritage sites. From here, yes, you can see the Port Antonio courthouse right there, over in the distance. Yes, that's it over there. That's the Port Antonio courthouse right there. Okay. So as we said, we're going to visit all these little places today. We're going to have a look on what's been happening, what was, and what is now in Port Antonio. These buildings, all right? This is the one we're going to feature today. We're going to go and have a look at it and more, okay? So stay tuned. Pat Bottom Kitchen, taking you to again, you know. As we say, we're overlooking the bay of Port Antonio right here now. You're looking all the way out to East Harbor in the distance. East Harbor all the way over there. That's the Folly Great House. Yes. That's the Jamaica Reef Beach area. Yes, over there. And that's the Port Antonio Navy Island right there. Okay. As we say, to the left, down there you have the courthouse, the modern courthouse. Okay, and in town we have the original one. Pat Bottom Kitchen, we're taking you around the parish. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Okay, and in the distance you can see all what's happening there. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. This is the lighthouse. Now, sometimes you figure more or less that a lighthouse would only be on beside the ocean. No, the lighthouse out in the woods and in the, you know, on the hillside, you know, the community. This is the one that navigate the ships from out at sea. Naturally, it's locked. It's always locked. It is powered by that line there. Yeah. And there's a little garden here, a little botanic garden right around it. Yes, man. So, as we say, we're right at the spot where the lighthouse is at. We can't go inside. It is locked, and it's always locked. Yeah, and this is where they navigate to outer ocean there. When you when the ships them coming in, they realize that okay, land is on this side. So that's the channel right there. And you're coming right through that channel, just across from the Navy Island. Right here we have some steps that go up. From here, and then you got steps. Right, there you go. Always a lock on it right there, yes. So one of our heritage spot. That's the leaf for us. Yes, you know, well, we still use it because you have a lot of yachts and all that thing coming inside Port Antonio. And this is, you know, it's still in use. So there you have it. That's one of the sites. One of the beautiful sites that we have in Port Antonio. You can come up and overlook the ocean on this side, take pictures. Nice place for photos, yeah? Beautiful spot. Beautiful here for photos if you're coming to Port Antonio. Yes, so Papaton Kitchen, it's all about knowing what's happening, teaching the younger ones that they know what's happening around in the parish, all right? Mr. Green,
Yes,
how you doing, man?
yeah.
Beautiful. What you say now? How many years is Lighthouse there, so now?
About 50 years.
50 years.
Yeah.
You say, you and your father come look.
Yes, and that time in the little boy I go primary school.
Okay.
So probably me about 12 or so.
Them time there.
Mm.
When you come look on this one over here, sir.
Yeah.
So what you say?
And I come look on my father. They look one place to leave Sip and Khan. Right before the light was going down for so.
Okay. Oh, and
So
then
me
if...
come there with him. And me don't plan him to make me go over and him say no. Because me come and hear the river down there. And to me love fishing. Me I said to him, say, me I go on the river and he said no. You know them out and them protective of them people, you know.
Yes, So how old are you now?
Me I 70 years.
Yeah, 70 odd. Okay. What may I say to you? We say the lighthouse is over, original lighthouse over there, so.
Yeah.
Cross the
You see
bush
when you
there.
go at that corner, I come up really over.
Over lighthouse there. Original, what we call lighthouse now.
Yeah.
You get it name because of over the side name lighthouse.
To the lighthouse is what they call it so.
Okay. So you think say the structure could have still there then?
Supposed to, yeah.
All right.
Because they're supposed to concrete too. A Port Authority own them just to know.
Okay. Port Authority is still responsible for them land there?
Yes, and then they buy it first.
Okay. Even yourself, Port Authority, that's our
Well,
responsibility.
and no big piece of land upon this.
It's a small piece.
But over there supposed to build a big
Big land. Yeah, man, it's good to know a little history about this lighthouse here. Because me keep on wondering over the years, maybe wondering why the over the name lighthouse and the lighthouse they on this side over here, sir.
yeah.
You know, so
And they used to do that's why.
that's one of the reasons why.
Yeah, but they not give over that near lighthouse. But some people are send people go a place and to the lighthouse they on that side there. Then come this way. I'm going to realize, I'm going to find out say, and I lighthouse.
Okay. Okay, so a lot of people get the information, say the lighthouse was so we have to look on the lighthouse. So a lighthouse road, then one go a lighthouse road.
Where they are lighthouse? But somebody when don't know about the place.
Then one go a lighthouse road and come up here, sir.
Push back the lighthouse there.
Okay. So I really Springbank the lighthouse then, naturally.
Yeah.
Run us a name. Run us a name Springbank too, no?
No.
Run us a name.
The land tag, give my Bonebrook.
Oh, run us a name Bonebrook too?
Yeah, a Bonebrook land. You see, from down my Bonebrook who have come all the way up, you know, the food company days. And then the own all them places and a Bonebrook, the whole place they name.
Okay.
So I'm from the land tag, land my Bonebrook.
So United Food Company was our farming company or what was it?
And them sell banana to England.
Oh, so it was a producing company. They produce banana and cane or something.
No, then just used to do shipping.
Or just shipping them though?
Banana and sell.
Oh, so then get the banana from the local farmer and ship it off.
You took your banana go off, hold up on your head. Till many years after, and change it to start back, see, put in a box.
Okay.
But the first time when United Food Company owned them place, I the whole stem of banana, then used to take and put in a ship same whole.
Okay. The whole stem of banana, they never all box it.
No. I since about in the 60s,
Hmm.
they start box it. And you can put it in a box.
Okay. So you just carry the banana, carry got the
You
wharf,
just cut your by tree,
put it on your
hold up,
shoulder.
and put it on your head and carry go walk.
Hmm.
And the man, we are check how much money you have.
Hmm.
And I used to have price to 6 and 7 and 8 and punch. Any
Hmm.
size they have a price for it. So if you banana 6 and you know how much shilling you get with that. If you 7 and you know how much.
Shilling you get for that.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are going ideas.
Yeah.
Me never know that, but no, thank you for the information. It's
So
still.
them place I used to name bone. Them it's still name bone bro.
Mm-hmm.
Because when I look out to get light.
Mm. A bone broke up on the paper.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, Springbank now gone up so.
Further up at Springbank. But you know, then it's called
Springbank
Springbank
because it's.
because of the road. We have to come up to Port
Uh,
Gate.
but the address all the way up are still Bombrook.
Yeah, Boundbrook, yeah.
So Bombrook when you Avenue, Bombrook, Crescent, Bombrook what?
No, the whole land.
Just name Bombrook.
Yeah.
I name the settlement. The land, I in the land settlement now.
Boundbrook land settlement. Just
Uh-huh.
I could have called it that.
Because
You see down a pavilion there.
down there's now different now, you know.
Then don't get Boundbrook as well.
Yeah, down there
But you come
Bombrook.
all the way up here.
But people live down there still, so.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
said the town area boundary there somewhere around Springbank over there.
The town here a boundary.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all out there so then we got the sport and so on.
Oh.
But the boundary of Port Anthony there. We don't go down one place them called Smart.
Okay, up on the
But
hill.
now one corner one so yeah.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Green. Good for know get the information because you know when them younger kids them hear them thing, you know, them can have a conversation, you know. Yes, man, them can have a conversation. Well, that information are really important sometimes. Well, most of the time is important. You know, to know what go on, you know, in your parish. Yeah, man, it's good to talk to you, Mr. Green.
Yeah.
My name is Pat Batam.
Pat Bottom.
Yes.
That's your local name.
Right.
Your common name.
Yes,
Your,
man.
I'm a,
Yeah, man, I'm my name Pat Batam. Yes, man. All right.
I hope you that anyway.
You know, sir, my grandmother, me take the name from, she never really give me, you know. I take it from her, you know. Because you know what make Pitney take name, get them type of name, because what? When you say Pat Batam, tell me what I go on with.
I did scraping guy.
So me take the name there from my grandmother, she never really give me.
Yeah.
So me just take it. I the only problem.
She just called showing the food to you in her pot.
Me not know if I say it go, but me always like the Pat Batam.
Yeah.
So me just
soup.
right. Beef soup and
Me used to like scraping a rice bun too.
and
I pick me.
the Pat Batam. Alright. Nice with the spot of food, sir, then sir.
Yeah, when you pick me good.
You have fun with that.
When you're a big man, no, you know,
Alright. Alright, Mr. Green.
Mm-hmm.
How old are you now? 70 what?
I'm supposed to be about 70 years.
Oh, 78.
Yeah. But me no feel that old still. Me do me look at him still.
Still the little thing.
You can see me chop up this over there, big banana sucker plant.
Okay. So you have any form of sickness or anything like that?
Well, I strokes really get, but me no, I will find that me have no other
Sickness. Okay. Okay.
strokes, you know, because of high blood pressure.
And lick it down one at a time.
Yeah.
So you start eat good now and everything now, eat right and
Yeah.
now drink no more rum and something. You start go to church now and so.
Smoke.
And smoke. Okay.
Because you want to see.
You have to get one shot of rum now and then still, you know.
No, me no do that.
You don't do that?
The pill no recommend 750.
Oh, then you get a pill now.
Yeah, me take medication.
Oh, okay.
I mean, what a man will get sick boy, young man. One of the butcher brother down there.
Indian them, eh?
Yeah, he did tell you know.
Mm.
Me and him buck up a hospital. And So me say he get the stroke slow and sickness.
Okay.
But him
You survive.
burning weed and then something there. One day me there, I just saying dead.
Well, my grandmother 97, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My grandmother 97, and she have her stroke. She get stroke last week one day. Yeah, man.
She up in that age there?
Yes, man. She get a stroke, yeah, man. This one look stressed, you know.
Yeah.
And but she kind of get little better now still. She get little better now, and she not 100%, but
Yeah, she can move
she
around.
can move around, right?
Because me asked me doctor say bed rest good with me. He said no, keep on moving around.
Yeah, man.
You know, must get better food, but your health.
Keep your blood, yeah.
Yeah, keep your blood after.
Right. Keep it
Because
going.
I could have get one of that stroke, you know, but
Mm.
then like no, we could lose
Oh, okay.
and feel that stress.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Green. Pat Batam.